clearance JetBlue 187, we're Charlie 24, push with X-ray.
JetBlue 187, monitor ground point 9er.
Point 9er, JetBlue 187.
Tubes on both sides. Never inflate your vests inside the aircraft. A locator light on your shuttle will turn on automatically in water. Airbus A321 has 8 emergency exits, 2 doors in the front, 4 window exits over the wings, and 2 doors in the back. Each door is equipped with an evacuation slide that can be detached from the aircraft and uses rafts. An additional raft is located in the last left overhead bin. In the event of an emergency, leave your personal belongings and proceed to the nearest exit. All exits are clearly marked to sign overhead, and lights on the floor will also guide you to the exits. Take a moment now to locate your closest exit, and remember it might be behind you. There's a change in cabin pressure for oxygen mask will drop overhead. Firmly pull mask towards you and start a flow of oxygen. Remove any face covering and place the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. Pull the elastic band around your head and tight using the straps on both sides. Oxygen will be flowing even if the bag does not inflate. Put your mask on first before helping others, but you know when it's no longer needed. If you have any questions about plane safety features, don't hesitate to ask. Will you come on the out for one last check? Please make sure your seatbelt's fastened, seat back is upright, your double stowed on your next put away. Smoking, including electronic cigarettes and vaping, is never allowed on any JetBlue flight. Tampering with, disabling, or destroying smoke detectors from restrooms is a federal offense that could result in a fine. This aircraft has 4 restrooms, 1 at the front of the cabin, 1 big cabin, and 2 in the back. Each is equipped with an infant changing table. To avoid crowding in the aisle, please wait your seat until a restroom is available. We'll be adjusting main cabin lights for departure. If you need those, read light above your seat. We're here to make sure you have a safe, comfortable flight. Thank you for your attention. We hope you enjoy the JetBlue experience.
response, 72 miles final. Keep it rolling, runway 4 left. Keep it rolling, runway 4 left, across 7.
Done. We'll be taking off shortly. Cab crew, please be seated.
187 around, Mike. Your monitor down 132.22. Alright, right on Mike, 3222, JetBlue 187.
Runway 9er, clear for takeoff.
Runway 9er, clear for takeoff, JetBlue 187.
Contact bus 133.42.
3342.
Yes.
Yes.
JetBlue 187, maintain 210 knots or greater, advise me see the field.
210 greater, and we get full inside the morning.
Yes, you got the airport.
Affirmative.
JetBlue 187, cleared visual approach at 25 left.
JetBlue 187 LA Tower, wind calm, runway 25 left, cleared to land. 5 left, clear for land, at 187. Taxi via hotel to Juliet, cross runway 25 right, ground 121.75 as you spot. Good night. Alright, so tell Juliet, cross runway 25 right and ground on JetBlue 187.
JetBlue welcomes to Los Angeles, whose local time is 9:43. For your safety and the safety of those around you, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until we run through the gate, and the captain has to note the fasten seatbelt sign. If you are collecting any items from the overhead bins, please be careful when opening bins as items tend to move during flight. If you ever receive this is climbout gate, you can pick those items up outside the front boarding doors or step off the aircraft. If you need some extra time and assistance getting off the plane today, feel free to being comfortably seated after we provide the gates may better assist you. If you're waiting for a wheelchair, just go ahead and remain comfortably seated. We'll let you know once they become available. For information on connecting flights, you can download a free JetBlue mobile app or check your for monitors. Baggage claim today will be at carousel number 2. And carousel number 2 for baggage claim. On behalf of all of us here at JetBlue, especially this New York City news crew, we'd like to thank you for flying with us today. It is you from the Los Angeles area, like the first say welcome home.